In Lesson 8, we explored how instant photography gave us the joy of holding a picture moments after taking it. But by the late 20th century, a new revolution was on the horizon. One that would change photography forever. This was the rise of digital photography. The concept began quietly in the 1970s. In 1975, Stephen Sasson, an engineer at Eastman Kodak, built the world's first digital camera prototype. It was a bulky device that used a Fairchild CCD image sensor to capture black and white photos at just 0.01 megapixels. Images were stored on a cassette tape and displayed on a TV screen. At the time, few realized they were looking at the future. Unlike film, digital cameras recorded light as electronic data, pixels, which could be stored, copied, and shared without any chemical processing. This meant no more buying rolls of film. No more waiting for development, and no limit to how many shots you could take. Aside from storage capacity, by the 1990s, as sensors improved and memory cards became common, digital cameras started entering the consumer market. Brands like Nikon, Canon, and Sony released models that could rival and eventually surpass film in quality. The ability to instantly review and delete images gave photographers more creative control than ever before. The digital revolution also transformed professional photography. Photojournalists could transmit images worldwide within minutes. Wedding photographers could deliver hundreds of edited shots in days rather than weeks, and with each technological leap, cameras became smaller, faster, and more powerful. Then came the 2000s, when digital photography met the internet and mobile technology. Point-and-shoot cameras were replaced by smartphones with built-in lenses. And suddenly billions of people had a camera in their pocket, ready to capture and share life at any moment. Digital photography didn't just change how we take photos, it changed why we take them. From documenting history to sharing daily life, photography became universal, immediate, and endlessly creative. And as pixels replaced film grain, a new chapter was ready to unfold. The age of smartphone photography. Follow and watch Lesson 10.